The salt-heavy shade of the mangroves is deep as the sun dips below where the coral fans sleep. A quarter millennia passed like the breeze. Now the evening is settling round all of the keys in the harbor of Islamorada. The turquoise is black and we're watching the horizon with no looking back. Oh, let the turquoise ignite, let it ignite, in the land where the waves and the stars are tonight, where the stars are tonight. Sailing through the dark like the birthday rain, 250 years of everything, 250 years of everything. The anchor is deep in the silt on the floor, while the sparks of the fourth hit the water like lore. From the Gulf to the Atlantic, the trade winds are low, and we're carrying the torch in the ember soft glow. Islamorada, let the silence be heard in the pulse of the tide and the trade wind word. Yeah, 250 years, the American flag waves. Happy birthday, America.